Use discount code Jacksonvile to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Can I get in? Can I get in? Ooh, that's a lot of mids. 16 6.5.
Yeah.
Woo. Wow. Did you build this?
I bought the truck and the Stetson 3K.
It's a pretty deep blow through.
Yeah, it's a 2.5 to 1 ratio, 4 Scar Audio DDXs.
Okay. Wow, nice. The DDX?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Have you ever got it metered?
Yeah, it does a 53.2.
Wow.
And base words. I haven't metered it just yet.
It's pretty cool. Well, right here and there. It's a good idea. I need to try something like that sometime.
Yeah, I watched your video.
Yeah?
The HD.
Yeah, I have it right there actually. Yep, tuned it the way down. I'll let you hear it in a little bit.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of sound. I used to run all those things.
Awesome.
If you want to
So what is your lithium and battery alternator power?
I run, it's a 45 amp hour C-Max.
Okay.
They're 2 excessive amperage, 250.
Mm-hmm.
Diode charging at I think it's 15.4 right now.
Yep.
Water bottle, so I can't charge as high as everything else.
All right.
I think all around SPL it was a 51.2. Outlaw did a 53.
All right. Awesome. Ready to hear it? Sure, man. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you, man. That was a good punch. Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?
Nick.
Nick. All right, Nick. Have a good day. Stay cool. I know we can't, but... Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code Jacksonvile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.